This is a demonstration of a Heathkit IT-121 transistor tester. In this demo, we're going to be testing a transistor. This tester also tests FETs and diodes. The first thing you might notice is that there is a new test probe on this unit. I built this test probe. The original test probes used essentially alligator clips, which are very bulky, and it is highly likely that you could short out a transistor or FET. I used new modern Pomona mini grabbers, which are a lot more compact. They grab onto things much more accurately. You can even test things in circuit in certain circumstances with this tester, and it's easy to get the mini grabber into tight areas. I'm going to be testing a 2SC945, which is a small signal transistor. The first thing you want to do is you want to have the unit off. This is the on-off switch right here. And you want to set the beta equals infinity switch to the in position. For the range, you want to have the tester set at 10 milliamps for the 2SC945. For the transistor mode switch, you want to be in the transistor versus the FET, right? And we're going to be testing a NPN transistor, so you want to have this switch out, which is the selection for NPN. Now you want to turn the unit on, and you want to set the beta equals infinity control to infinity on the far left side. I've already set it for the sake of expediency with this video, but I can kind of show you that it does move a little bit. Very small amount. It's very accurate. It's a very controlled, slow control. So we set that to beta equals infinity. The next step is we want to do our calibration setting. We press the beta equals cal switch. And we want to rotate the beta cal knob with it pushed in until we get our beta cal for a 2SC945, and for other small signal transistors you want to be on cal times 10. I'm already there because I've already said it, but I can show you the movement. It's pretty sensitive, but it's actually pretty easy to get it to times 10. So now we've done our setup to get ready to test the transistor. And now we hit our beta switch, which is gain of the transistor. And we land at beta of 20. But bear in mind is that we set our calibration to times 10. So that's our multiplier. 20 times 10 equals 200, which is a very reasonable and correct beta for a 2SC945. A thing about working with an analog meter tester is that with experience, you will kind of get an idea of the quickness of the meter movement, how things land quickly or not, and that will give you even more of sort of a qualitative idea of the condition of the transistor. Of course, you have quantitative data as well. As it lands on 20, you know 20 times 10 is 200, so that's your beta. But with experience, you'll find this tester to be a very good tool to test transistors, FETs, and diodes.